Qasem from grade 4A. This is my project of computer. What is software? Software, the programs and other operating information used by a computer. Here you can see types of software: PowerPoint, Word, Android, Windows, Java. Here you can see Chrome, Firefox. Hardware definition: the set of hardware components that make up the material part, physical of a computer. Unlike the software refers to the logical components intangible, however, the term is usually understood more broadly and is used to refer to all the physical components of technology. What is a keyboard? A panel of keys that operate a computer to type right. Here you can see a keyboard. What is mouse? A small handheld device which is moved across a mat or flat surface to move the cursor on a computer screen. You can see a mouse. This monitor, a television receiver used in a studio to select or verify the picture being broadcast from a particular camera. Here we can see a monitor. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. The computer central processing unit, CPU, is the portion of a computer that retrieves and executes instructions. Here you can see CPU. Thank you. Goodbye.